we'll guide you through how to create Mailchimp tutorials effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new project. Now, choose the type of campaign you want to create, such as email, landing page, or ad. For tutorials, you'll likely want to focus on email campaigns, so select that option. After selecting, you'll be prompted to name your campaign. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or topic of your tutorial. This helps in keeping things organized. Next, you'll set up your email settings. You need to input the recipients list, which is your audience, the sender's name, and the email subject line. Make sure these are relevant and engaging to capture your audience's attention. Now it's time to design your email. Click on the Design Email button. You'll be taken to a design interface where you can choose from pre-made templates or start from scratch. If you're new, templates can be a great way to save time and ensure your email looks professional. Customize your template by dragging and dropping different elements like text boxes, images, and buttons. You can add step-by-step instructions directly in the email content if your tutorial is text-based. Remember to use clear and concise language to make it easy for your audience to follow along. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's important to preview your email to see how it will appear on different devices. Click the Preview option and check both desktop and mobile views. This ensures your tutorial is accessible to all users. Finally, when everything looks good, you can schedule your email tutorial to be sent out at a specific date and time, or send it immediately. Click the Schedule or Send button to finalize your campaign. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.